Hey guys, to all of you fans of AVS and Accuair, I'm sure you've already seen their new Endo VT tanks. VT is for valve tanks. You got a valve assembly in each end cap here. This is their 5-gallon model, raw finish. What we're doing is AVS is making it a little easier for you to do your wiring. If you're going to be running a 7-switch controller from us, a 9-switch controller from us, or even just dash-mounted switches of some sort, you're going to want to run one of our harnesses. This is our new harness we're making for the VT tank, and the way it works, this one, as an example, this is our 9-switch. So this will plug directly into the pin strip on your 9-switch relay box. Screw right down, makes that nice and simple. Got your power and ground inputs here. Yellow wire is actually an accessory wire that goes all the way through the harness to the other side, and that's supply or accessory supply for your relays or solenoids for your compressors. For those of you that are using an E-level, you're not going to be using this yellow wire. But if you're not using an E-level, then you will be needing that for your relays or your solenoid. So basically, again, all your inputs are right here. When you get to the other end, you're going to have a split, and you got your 2 harnesses. And as you can see, they're clearly marked left and right. So basically, left side is going to go on the left side of your vehicle, right side for the right side of your vehicle. The Endo tank is going to have control 2 corners of the vehicle. So the way we've done this is if you plug this one into here, and this is your left, well, let's go with the right. So we're going to stick the right one in right here, swing this around, our left side here. Now, you have 2 ports on the side of this tank. Those 2 ports are going to control two corners of that vehicle on the left side. One for the front, one for the rear. Same thing on here. So your right side, it'll control 1 front, 1 rear. And then off of the same harness, you'll have a ground wire. We've insulated the terminal. Everything's been soldered for you, so you won't have any problems with connections or any corrosion problems, especially if you're in areas where you got a lot of salt on the road, stuff like that. So kind of thought everything out real well for you. Everything's sleeved in a braided line. So here's what you got coming off. It's some nice, clean, braided lines. Kits are going to start out at 12 feet long. We'll also do a 17-foot model and a 20-foot model, but you can also measure it out, see what you're going to need, and actually request the exact foot length that you need. You have to give us a call on that one, though. Okay. But we can build them for anything. Like I said, this one's for the 9. We do have it also for our 7-switch. And again, just bare wires for hooking it up as you wish to any kind of switches. We will be doing shortly, we'll have another one if you are using an E-level, where let's say you want to mount your E-level here. We'll be making some new brackets to mount the E-level with to here. And what it'll do, it'll be a nice short little T-harness that'll be coming off of your E-level, going under, and then coming to each end cap. So it's very short and it'll plug directly in. That'll be available soon. These harnesses here will be on our website very shortly. But right now, if you do want to order, go ahead and give us a call at 559-486-5444. We'll get you going. And we're actually showing they're showing the VT tank right now with the new, actually with our new clamp kits. We got some upgrades on here. We got showing the stainless steel hardware with some machine billet cones to go around the hardware, just to kind of dress it up. Kind of goes real good with the Endo tank. Got the nice metal mechanical look going on. So for those of you that like that, you can also, they are aluminum, so you can also anodize these little billet pieces or even powder coat them. And we're going to keep on changing. We got some new clamps coming out that we're going to be running on here too, but we'll get into that in another video, and we'll have that available shortly. Thanks for checking us out.